What are some of the common misconceptions that you've heard about cloves? Let's dive right in. One of the most prevailing myths about cloves is that they are just a spice to add flavor to our dishes with no real health benefits. This couldn't be further from the truth. Cloves are packed with potent properties like eugenol, which boasts anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant effects. Another common misconception is that chewing or ingesting a dry, unboiled clove is just as beneficial as boiling it. This, too, is a myth. Boiling cloves actually enhances their bioavailability, making their benefits more readily absorbed by our bodies. Simply chewing on a dry clove won't deliver the same health boost. So, as we've seen, cloves are not just a kitchen spice. They are much more beneficial to our health than we often realize. Now that we've debunked some common misconceptions, let's dive into the health benefits of cloves. Cloves, these tiny aromatic flower buds, are nature's little powerhouses of health. They are packed with a compound called eugenol, which is a natural treasure trove of potent properties. Anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant. Eugenol seems to have it all, making cloves one of the most beneficial spices to add to your diet. Let's talk about how cloves can be used to treat various health issues and boost overall well-being. Ever had a toothache that seemed like it could shatter the earth? Well, applying cloves topically can provide quick relief. The eugenol in cloves numbs the area and reduces inflammation, easing your pain. But that's not all. You can also boil cloves for oral consumption. This method allows the eugenol and other beneficial compounds to infuse into the water, creating a health-boosting beverage. When consumed, it can help treat ulcers, reduce stress, and even enhance testosterone levels. Incorporating cloves into your meals isn't just a way to add a burst of flavor. It's a way to strengthen your immune system, regulate blood sugar, promote respiratory health, aid weight loss, improve liver function, enhance bone health, and even exhibit anti-cancer properties. Yes, all from this tiny, unassuming spice. There's something to be said about the versatility of cloves. They're not just a spice to be used in your holiday cookies or mulled wine. They're a natural remedy that's been used for centuries to cure a plethora of health issues. You might be wondering if chewing or ingesting a dry, unboiled clove has the same effect. The answer is yes and no. While chewing a clove does release its beneficial compounds, boiling it helps to make these compounds more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and utilize them better. So, for the maximum health benefits, it's recommended to boil your cloves. Clearly, cloves pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So, don't miss out on this natural remedy. Let's explore how to get the most out of it in a safe and effective way. While cloves have numerous health benefits, there are some precautions and potential side effects to be aware of. Cloves, like any other natural remedy, should be used wisely and responsibly. One size doesn't fit all, and this applies to cloves as well. The first group that needs to be cautious about cloves is pregnant women. While cloves have many health benefits, their strong active ingredients can potentially cause complications during pregnancy. Therefore, it's always prudent for pregnant women to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating cloves into their diet or health regimen. Similarly, children under the age of 14 should also avoid cloves without first consulting a pediatrician. Children's bodies are still developing, and what is beneficial for adults might not be suitable for them. Let's not forget about those with bleeding disorders. The eugenol in cloves has blood-thinning properties. That's great news for those looking to improve their heart health, but not so great for those with bleeding disorders or who are about to undergo surgery. If you're scheduled for a surgical procedure, remember to stop clove consumption well in advance. Now let's take a moment to talk about how to take cloves. You might be wondering if chewing a dry, unboiled clove makes equal sense as boiling it. The answer is not quite. Boiling cloves in water helps to extract its beneficial properties, making them more bioavailable to your body. Plus, it's a more palatable way to consume cloves. Lastly, while cloves can help treat a variety of ailments, they should not be used as a substitute for prescribed medications or professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, including one involving cloves. In conclusion, cloves are a potent natural remedy with a host of health benefits. But like any powerful tool, they should be used responsibly. Don't let the potential side effects scare you away. Just be aware, be cautious, and most importantly, be informed. Armed with the right knowledge, you can harness the power of cloves to improve your health and well-being. So, while cloves can be a powerful tool for improving health, they should be used responsibly. Now, how about a simple and healthy clove water recipe that you can try at home? If you're intrigued, let's dive right in. This recipe is as straightforward as it sounds. All you need are a handful of cloves, water, and a spoonful of manuka honey. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a pot. As the water begins to bubble, add in about 10 cloves. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the water takes on a rich brown hue. This is when the cloves release their potent eugenol, a compound with incredible health benefits that we've discussed earlier. Once you're satisfied with the color, turn off the heat and let the clove-infused water cool down. After it's cooled, strain the water into a cup and stir in a spoonful of manuka honey. This honey not only sweetens your drink, but also brings its own unique health benefits to the table. And there you have it, a soothing, aromatic cup of clove water ready to be savored. But here's something to ponder. You might wonder, why not just chew on a dry clove instead of going through this process? Well, the thing is, boiling the cloves actually makes the eugenol more bioavailable. This means your body can absorb and utilize it more effectively, optimizing the health benefits you receive. Moreover, consuming cloves in this way can be a lot more pleasant than chewing them raw, which can be quite pungent and overpowering. So not only does this recipe make the cloves' properties more accessible to your body, but it also provides a more enjoyable way to consume them. Now it's your turn. Give this recipe a try and experience the health benefits of cloves for yourself. Remember, consistency is key. So make it a part of your daily routine and watch as it works wonders for your health. Remember, your health is your wealth. Make the most of natural remedies like cloves. But always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. Thank you for watching.